Good afternoon. Welcome to our KRQE.com webcast. I'm Mike Powers. Let's start with John Smith and the forecast. John?
Well, high pressure will dominate our weather in several ways today. For one thing, it will make the southeast very hot. Once again, triple-digit heat for the afternoon. We'll also have windy conditions as you go up to the northeast. We're looking at winds to gust up to 35 miles per hour. And meanwhile, it will direct the plume that is coming from the wall of fire into the western part of New Mexico, away from the metro a bit. But as that plume starts to shift around with a more westerly wind, we're looking for the plume to come over the city of Albuquerque as we head through the overnight hours. Then it will push to the south as we go into Tuesday, affecting areas like TRC and Socorro and points around there. So we're looking for more smoke, not necessarily in the metro, but in other parts of the state as we go through your Tuesday. Today's high is another hot day in the southeast, triple-digit heat, 103 for Roswell, Hobbs, and Carlsbad, 92 for the metro, into the 80s as you head over the northern mountains. Taking a look at the next 7 days, lots of sunshine for the metro with temperatures in the low 90s.
A raging wildfire near the New Mexico-Colorado border has forced the closure of I-25. State Forestry spokesman Dan Ware says the track fire has picked up considerably since settling down overnight. Crews have been feverishly trying to build dozer lines to keep the flames out of the community's watershed. Crews are also working on structure protection. The fire's charred about 2,700 acres and no structures have been lost. FEMA has approved a grant to help New Mexico pay for up to 75% of the cost of fighting the fire. A DC-10 air tanker is now helping out with the cause. The suspect in the brutal murder of a man in Albuquerque last month was in court this morning. 50-year-old Jeff Moody pleaded not guilty to beating and slashing the throat of Anthony Tottacini at a home in the northwest part of Albuquerque. Moody said the two were fighting when he grabbed a hand weight and started beating the victim. Today, the judge continued Moody's bond at $100,000 cash surety. Stay with KRQE for more news and weather updates throughout the day.